All right, good morning. Good morning. My name is Kimana, and my hair is still wet. So we're putting it in a ponytail today. Going today. Getting ready to edit this video and eat. And yeah, that's what's going on today. I'm getting ready to edit a video and eat. Yep. I need to take my medicine and put a hoodie on and my vest on, and then I'll be all good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now and clean my glasses because they look very dirty. So we took my ramen, put a cup of water, well, not a cup, literally a bottle of water, dumped it in here, put 2 packs of ramen in, and put it in the microwave for 4 minutes, and look at it. It's done. Yes. I am here for that. I'm here for that. Also, very happy about that it actually worked. So, yay. Yay. Alright, apparently I have to stop everything I'm doing to go to the bathroom. Yeah, that's kind of annoying, but there's nothing I can do with it about it unless I want to go to the bathroom in the truck, but I don't want to go to the bathroom in the truck. That sounds like a shitty time. The pun was intended. Sorry, not sorry. Anyways, we're going to turn the truck off and we're going to go inside and go to the bathroom. And while I'm in there, I'm going to do my other morning stuff as well, since I'm walking all the way up there. But let's go ahead and do all that. I have no idea what that smell is, but it smells so damn good. Oh, it makes me hungry. Alright, let's open these curtains. I think I've sat here in the dark enough. I'm all dressed. I don't need to change any more clothes or anything like that. So we're gonna open the curtains. And this takes 2 hands. Hold on. Now I got a notification saying that the load is ready. Not that I have to go get it now, but if I want to go pick it up right now, it's ready. So that's cool. That is cool. There's the load. We're editing that out because that's none of your business. Alright. With my medicine consumed, we're going to put some of my stuff away right here in the little cubby. We're going to close that. We're going to take the mouse and set it in this cup holder because I think it'll stay in there. My tablet can come up here. We'll play music on that while I'm driving. And the laptop, I'm going to move to the floor. Hold on. Alright, I moved the tablet to the floor. The reason that I moved it to the floor is that I don't want it to fall on the ground off of the bed while I'm driving, because I've had that happen before. I don't want it to happen again. No, not at all. Now, hopefully this vlog isn't late. One can hope, but this one might actually be. We are in a situation where I have to go to work, and that vlog still has 20, not 20. Still got like 15 minutes to it's still got like 15 minutes to load. Or, not load. What in the world? It still's got 15 minutes to go through. By the time I have the time to edit those 15 minutes, it might be too late to upload it on time. Let's hope that's not the situation, but I mean, there's no way to see until I, have the time. Paperwork acquired. Yes, it is. Now let's go acquire the trailer and fill everything out we need to fill out before we go. All right. We are attached to the trailer and all ready to go. And gonna make our way to the first stop, which is 217 miles away. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we are here at a random ass truck stop in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, this one. What do you mean? We're going to... Shit. Hold on. Alright, we're having issues with the CAT scale app. So, we're just trying to fix it and see what the damn issue is. Alright, apparently I have to go inside to pay for it because the app isn't working and there ain't nothing that they can do about it. So, yay! Weight is all Gucci bandana. I don't know where I left off. Shit. I hate when this cuts out randomly. Regardless, the weight is all good. No issues at all. The weight is all fantastic. Nothing is overweight. And I don't have to move anything. Yay! So, let's go ahead and... put everything away and make our way to the first stop. Alright, 202 miles to our first stop, and we are right next to I-69. So let's go ahead and hop on it and get to where we are going. Yes, Queen, yes. Alright, back to the truck, because we're finished with the first stop. Yes, we are. And then we gotta make our way to the second stop, which I don't know how far away the second stop is yet, so let's figure that out. 39 miles, 36 miles, something like that. Let's go. We are finished with the second stop. There's no problems here. There were no problems here. So, that is good. But now, oh, it smells like a fire. It smells good. Now it is time to get in the Twucky and make our way to the last store this evening. Yay. Alright, we are at the third stop and they're already in there unloading, so it's fantastic. So we're gonna go in and help them if they need any help and have them sign the paperwork and go ahead and find somewhere to sleep before we pick up tomorrow's load. Oh, that was way more raised than I thought it was. Alright, we're all done here. We have all the paperwork signed. We have the padlock. Now, let's go find a location to go to bed. Now, tomorrow I'm supposed to be picking up at a location that's 2 hours away from here. But I'm not gonna drive 2 hours because there's no truck stops near there. No truck stops, no place to sleep, so I'm going to find some place that I am able to stop and go ahead and sorry, I feel like I'm about to burp. We're gonna go ahead and find some place to park and go to bed till tomorrow. Till tomorrow, yes. I also forgot to mention that I also sweeped out the trailer so that hopefully there's no issue at the next place that we go to. Now, I'm going to put my padlock on the back of this trailer and lock it up so that nobody gets in here while I'm sleeping, because I don't want to deal with it. Don't want to deal with it. Just gonna lock it and deal with. Remember to take off the lock in the morning, which it's a live load, so I have to take the lock off in the morning. Let's go ahead and find somewhere to go to bed. Well, we're going to make our way towards where we're going. But while we're making our way towards where we're going, I'm also going to be looking for a location to go Betty by. So let's see what it ends up being. Yes. All right. Here we are in a parking spot at Lovely Loves here in Indiana. Are we in Indiana still? I have no idea what state I'm in. I'm either in Indiana or Kentucky. I'm pretty sure I'm in Indiana though. Regardless, I'm only like 30-something miles. 38 miles from where I need to pick up tomorrow. Oh. This is the first time I have slept at a truck stop with this particular job, so hey. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Yawn. But here we be. I'm gonna get ready for bed. I'm not gonna go in the store. I don't have any money to buy Hardee's. So I'm just gonna sit out here and either make some of the ramen that is up there. Did any of it fall? Huh, I'm surprised. I expected some of it to fall, but it didn't. Anyways, that is what the deal is. We are going to eat. We are going to edit the video. We're going to upload the video. And we are going to watch some YouTube probably. And just prepare for Betty bye. Yup. Oh, I should turn my headlights off. Come on, get off. Ugh. Alright, headlights off. Yay. Headlights off, doors locked. Fantastic. Damn, it's been 11 and a half hours. Sheesh. Nah, it's been more than 11 and a half hours. What are you talking about? Oh, wait, I'm looking at the wrong time. Never mind. It said 3:20. I was like, wait a minute. But that's the arrival time. Not what time it is now. It's 2:39. So, yeah, about 11 7.5-ish hours today. So, but I am going to go to get ready for bed. Yep. I am getting tired and hungry, so let's solve that issue. Alright, we're gonna start solving that issue by starting with taking my boots off, because I don't need them. Off you come. And this boot, come off too. Come on, come on, come on. Yep, that's 2 boots off. That's a pretty good start. Now, these. It is time to get these pulled around like so. It is time to get these pulled around like so, but all the way around in the front. Yes, 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 yes. And then we magnet it closed so that it stays closed in the middle. Hip hip hooray. Alright, the vlog is edited. It is now actively rendering, which is fantastic. Yes, fantastic. At this point, I'm going to blast the AC because, yeah, because I am. And I am going to get ready to start cooking before I go ahead and go eat and go to sleep. So that's a thing. But we're gonna wait for this to render, which I hope doesn't take too long. But we'll see how long it ends up taking. It's gonna take however long it takes. And it'll be however long it will be. Yes, indubitably. But in the meantime, food and YouTube. Food and YouTube, yes. In the meantime, food and YouTube, which I am 1,000,000% here for. I think my ramen absorbed all of the water before I microwaved it, so that's great. But hey, it'll be a-okay. Hey, we're gonna prepare for the bed of bye. Betty bye. And we're gonna let the laptop do its thing. I think it'll be, like I said, I think it'll be an hour and a half or something like that. I think it'll be an hour, like an hour 10, hour 20 minutes for that to render. And then after that renders, it says an hour and 3 minutes and it's going down, so that's good. So in an hour, that will be done, and then we can upload it to YouTube and let it upload overnight. So that's what we'll do. It is 3:30 in the morning. Will it upload in 4 hours? One can hope. One can hopey hope. But we shall see. Alright. I'm getting ready for bed and it is 5 o'clock in the morning. So I am going to go ahead and end today's vlog and call it here. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you keep coming back, why not go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click the bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload. We are almost to 100 subscribers. Woo! Thank you. Thank you. What was I going to say next? Because I don't remember. I got distracted by informing you that we almost have 100 subscribers, and I'm happy, and thank you. Oh, if you scroll down just a little bit farther, you can take a gander at the description. And in the description, you can find the links to all of my socials, my Twitch, my Discord, and my other YouTube channels if you are interested in any of that. And of course, I will see you guys tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. for the next daily vlog. And as always, phone hugs and bye-bye.